Hi, I'm Anya from Ocarina Workshop. In this video we will look at rhythm, another important part of composing. Rhythm is how short or long each note is played. Use this note every time we play in the video. Have a go at playing lots of short notes as quickly as you can. Now play the longest note that you can manage. Try playing this. Long, long, short, 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 short. Long, long, short, 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 short. Remember to tongue the beginning of each note. It's your go. Rhythm isn't just about the notes that you play, it also involves rests. A rest is when you don't play. For example, note, 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 rest. Note, 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 rest. Have a go at playing this on your ocarina. For each rest, instead of playing a note, sniff. This is a note, and this is a rest. Here is what you just played written out. Have another go and follow the music on the screen. So now that you know what rests and notes look like, it's time to play a game. Remember, for the rests, don't play anything, and this time don't sniff either, which means that there'll be complete silence. 1, 2, 3, 4. 2, 2, 3, 4. 3, 2, 3, 4. 4, 2, 3, 4. 5, 2, 3, 4. 6, 2, 3, 4. Great! Now let's speed it up a bit and play all 6 rhythms straight after each other. Remember to play it on an A.